Hey fitness fans, check out this ultimate 4-in-1 adjustable dumbbell set designed to upgrade your home gym routine. This versatile gear easily transforms from dumbbells and barbells into kettlebells and push-up stands. You can quickly adjust the weight plates from 30 up to 90 pounds for any training intensity. The octagonal anti-rolling design features durable PE shells filled with cement and iron sand to protect your floors. Plus, the thick sponge connecting rod and diamond textured grips ensure a comfortable, secure workout every single time. Secure safety locks keep your weight plates tightly in place while you push toward your fitness goals. Get ready to transform your daily workouts with this all-in-one exercise system. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.